What's up guys, it's me obviously, and today I'm showing you guys how to make ragoons and spring rolls. And if you want to see me and my mom eat it sometime, it'll be on her channel. I'm gonna start with the spring rolls and all the ingredients and all that. A lot of people were asking, like, can you show us how to make it on my mom's channel? So now it'll always be here, and it's recent. Me and my mom did one like a year, 2 years ago. So for the spring rolls, you need these spring roll wrappers, obviously. We got these at Winco. I have sliced cucumbers right here, and this is romaine lettuce. And this is shrimps. You don't need to do shrimps, but we just like shrimp. And we cut them in half. We are using this ramen right here. So I'm gonna start wrapping them. I'm gonna show you guys a few of them. So I always have a plate or a pot, at least big enough for the wrappers, with water, because you have to fully submerge these. So they look like this, and you get these and you just put it in the water. You submerge it, and you have to wait till it's like soft enough that you can pick it up, and that all of the ribbed lines are gone. So you can just hold it down. That's what I do. I'm gonna get another plate so I can roll them on. So you can still see the lines. I'm gonna record on my phone.
He made it, and I was like, what should you make?
Okay.
He was like,
so
this one.
they look like this. You can see the little bit of lines. You just have to wait till they're soft enough. What I do is lay the shrimps first. I hope you can see, like this way. So it doesn't matter, but since we're filming it, it matters. Right? What's that smell?
Is it the cheese?
The spring roll. Oh.
Oh my. Only one wet.
Yeah.
Wait, is that the plate? Jumps.
It's like spicy.
Sounds like Parmesan.
I'll change the plate after. So we just put like that much. It's really not that much. You could probably even put less than that. This one will be a thickie. It's okay. So to wrap them, you have to make sure it's sort of like even. Sorry, you scared me.
Smells like the food that we used to feed the chickens.
I don't know what that means. So I kind of suck at folding them. My mom usually does it, so this is gonna be kind of an issue, but it's fine. Okay, so you put both sides. Okay, so then you get the other side, wrap it over as tight as you can at least. I'm not really good at it. And then sort of like a burrito, do it as tight as you can. And then just roll again. Ta-da! I ripped it! Wow, why did I say it like that? It's not supposed to rip, but it did. It's fine. I mean, it doesn't really affect it. It's just now it's ripped. You have to be careful with it.
Ragoons?
I haven't made them yet. And then you're just gonna repeat the process. That's it. Cover it.
You wash your hands?
Yeah.
I was like, there's Sonia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then you just let it do its thing. Put it in a plate. I'll do them on camera. I'll just speed it up. Yeah. I hope it doesn't rip. Let me ask my mom if I can do something to avoid that. Just try not to put them so tight, so I guess that's what I'm gonna do. So I guess I'm gonna do them a little looser. You can just like roll it out. Just try not to rip it in the process. The ragoons is the more interesting part. So we're gonna shrimp down. 3 shrimp. Not all the right way because whatever. Kale really. This. And then a cucumber. Ramen. Put a little bit. fold this way, fold, and then fold over. Try not to do it so tight. They just kind of like stick together, so you don't really have to worry. Oh, it didn't rip. Kind of ugly, but it didn't rip. Yay! To talk about the espresso machine, Nespresso, sorry. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Literally me and my mom were going. I'm kind of winding down a little bit, which is bad, but I might just make regular coffee just because we haven't had regular coffee today. Because I don't have school tomorrow. Today's Tuesday night, and it's Veterans Day tomorrow. Thank you all veterans for your service. That one is ripping, but it's okay. Hello.
Hi.
Ready? Look.
Wait, I have to be dipped in water?
And then I guess.
That's why I didn't see. I'm like, what? Hi, son. What the heck are these things?
It's spring rolls. I really have to poop. I have to wait till I'm done with this. Oh, this was my last one.
No, that one's pretty.
Thanks.
That one's your first, second one?
That's my last one.
Oh, can I have one?
Yeah, but do you want one? I'll make you one really quick. You want to try it? You don't want one?
Oh, you can go poop first.
Well, my poop pains went away. Okay, so I made all 6. Sonia's right here with me. She's eating cucumber. She loves cucumber. I'm just gonna make her one with romaine and cucumber, just because she wants to try the wrapper. So I'm gonna make it for her really quick. Put it right here.
That's Zoe. Can I hold her?
Sonia just wants this. Obviously, I'm not gonna give her ramen or anything. She just wants to try it, so.
I want a cucumber.
There's plenty, there was, but you can eat one. If you don't like it, Sonia, you could just rip it open and take the stuff out, okay?
Okay.
Well, this is Sonia's. All green, aesthetic.
I like cucumbers and lettuce.
There you go, try it. Oh, when you're done.
How's that taste? Hey, I'm still getting to the part.
Yeah.
It's okay.
If you want to spit out the rubber stuff, you can spit it out. But I'm gonna
I
leave this
can't
here.
chew it.
I'm gonna go poop. We have obviously made ragoons before, or wontons, whatever you want to call them. So these are wonton wrappers. We get them at Winco. I'm gonna do the whole thing. Probably should cut it in half, but whatever. So you don't have to do this. It just gives it taste. You could put like a little bit of garlic powder and some soy sauce, not too much soy sauce because it'll overload it. You could even do green onions if you want, but you don't have to. You could literally do it like this. I do it like this when I'm not with this stuff. I do it plain cream cheese when I'm just making it just cause. But most of the time when we film, I do it with this and this. There's no like obviously direct measurements to this.
Okay, that's good.
Should have gotten a regular bowl. But
You want me to get you a bowl?
no, it's already in here. And I just prefer to use this plastic spoon. I know you're like, why don't you just grab a regular spoon? Well, let me tell you. It's easier to get the cream cheese on the ragoon with the plastic one. For me, at least. So, yeah. You're gonna mix it as best as you can. You literally don't need, like, that much. It's literally a shot glass. I have a pot over there with oil. I don't measure it. I know, so improper of me. But I don't measure it. So I just pour however much I think. Just enough, just because I don't want to waste it. I pour just enough for it to cover the ragoons. So these are the wonton wrappers. They're really thin, so be careful with them. You have them in your hand. You get your spoon, whatever kind of spoon. Put it in the middle, like that. You get your water. You put it on the middle of all the sides. So you just see where I put it. I put it right here, right here, right here. This part's kind of tricky. It's taking me a while to do this. So you do this side to this side, and then it's even difficult for me sometimes. It takes a while. And then you do that side to this side and you push them together. I close them so that they keep their shape longer. If you need to, see, like, they don't come out perfect every time. This one was kind of ripping to begin with. So I'm gonna turn it on. Then you have, I don't normally use this pan. I use a different one, but it's dirty right now. You just put this on it, or you can use paper towels or whatever. I just like to use this. And you put it right here. Let the oil get hot. Me, whichever one is ugliest, which is this one right now, I just rip it off and I drop a piece in there to see if it's hot enough before I douse one in oil. So we're gonna repeat the process over and over and over. So yeah, you see they're not perfect every time, but when they get in the oil, they just kind of poof up. So, you know, just kind of hold its shape together. I'm gonna test the oil. Yeah, it took a little bit of time to come up, so I'm just gonna let it keep going. Just frying them in like a pan just doesn't work. It doesn't. We used to fry them in a pan and they would just turn out ugly and burn every time. But literally it doesn't take more than 30 seconds in that oil. It's deep frying them for like what seems 15 seconds. I hope this is an instructional video. I really hope it is, just because I'm kind of everywhere, but that's kind of late. So I'm just gonna drop these in. I'm gonna do 2 at a time because it gets out of hand and they start frying up really quickly.
Is it for another video or it's just the same video?
Me and Mom are gonna eat them on her channel.
Oh.
Yeah, like tonight, which is late.
Wow.
This has taken me an hour. Me and my mom were discussing coffee at 7:55. It's 8:55 on the dot.
Hello. You almost slipped.
So I'm just gonna do 3. So I'm gonna show you guys the few that I have. They're not beautiful, but compared to what me and my mom used to make. Okay, so I put them face down so the oil drains out of the middle in case there is any. Really hot. So these ones are kind of ugly. It's okay. They don't need to be perfect. But this is what we do. That's it. They're not pretty by any means. I think this is the prettiest one that's held its shape. So yeah, it's because when you put them in the oil, it just kind of like, and they get ugly, but that's it. So I guess that's all I'll show you. I don't need to show you every single one. So yeah. So that is how you make spring rolls and ragoons. Here's what the spring rolls look like, so I'll show you again. This is what they look like made. So that's pretty much all you do for it. It's pretty simple, easy. You can watch a show while you're doing it. I love it. So, and it's really good. They're easy snacks. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know from my mom's channel or anything how to make something that we've eaten and that we've made, maybe I can show you if I made it. And yeah. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye. That was so mean.
Bye. You're so pretty.